Hey everybody, this is Design and Technology, and today we're going to be showing how to have a ball bounce on a color instead of on an edge, and it's pretty simple. So the very first thing is we're going to have to work on the backdrop. What I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a red line to go on the outer periphery all the way around. Then we're going to change our sprite. Get a new ball. And this is how the code goes. It's very simple. So in this case we'll do spacebar. We'll do a forever with an if motion. Then what we're going to do is do a sensing if touching color. Red. What we want it to do is change directions. And turn. And we're going to do this as as an operation. 180. And there you have it. And that's pretty much all you need to do. It will generally bounce. Now if you see that it goes over the edge, just shrink the ball. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. You've been watching Design and Technology.